Hello everyone, it's me. What did I say? I will be online still. Well, I will be online still. It's 1:32 in the morning. Oh, actually a.m. See, it's dark at night. The YouTube is still being a sus site, if you know what I mean. And its age verification is going wild, so I'm still rebelling it. I know, yes. Oh, please don't leave us. I'm not gonna leave you. I don't care what happens. I care. I don't care what happens to me. But I do care what's gonna happen to you guys, my friends. You guys are my family. I just want to say I'm very sorry if I get demonetized on YouTube and other stuff. Let me just say farewell.